Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm sharing some Valentine's Day card ideas using new and some of my well-loved dies from Spellbinders. I'll leave you with links to the supplies that I use to make my Valentine's Day cards in the description area below. Enjoy the video. Okay, so all of these cards that I'm about to share with you are featuring the new Spellbinders Precision Layering Basics dies. Now the Precision Layering Basics dies consist of 16 thin metal dies that create a perfectly spaced 1/8 of an inch layer for you, and there's another set that when you combine it with the other set, you can achieve a perfect 1/16 of an inch border. So you will see this in some of the cards that I have done here. And for my first Valentine's Day card, I used the Slimline Precision Basic Layering die, just one of them to make this Slimline card. And those butterflies are from an earlier Spellbinders collection, number S4395. Don't worry, I will go ahead and link you to that right down below. Also, the gold dots that you see on my embellishments, those are also from Spellbinders, and I will list them as well. Now, this other shaker card, I had so much fun making this shaker card. As you can see, I went layer after layer after layer. A couple of layers were glued. Other layers were just mounted with foam tape. And for the embellishments, of course, I use my shakers from my stash, and the cute embellishments that you see there, like the hearts and the stamp, that is actually from this month's Spellbinders card making kit. Now this other card that I layered and layered and layered on the very front layer, that paper that you see right there, that is from my own personal paper collection, and I will link you to that one down below as well. The satin ribbon that you see there is also Spellbinders. It is AC-0409, and I will list that down below. And that heart that you see right there, it's an oldies but goodie, Spellbinders Die Delights. It is a Vines of Passion. This was like one of my very first dies to ever own, and I so fell in love with it. The Hey Love that you see there was done with the die of the month from December 2019 from Spellbinders. So I hope that you have enjoyed my card making ideas for Valentine's Day. And hey, they don't necessarily have to be for Valentine's Day. You can use these shaker card ideas, this mini slimline card ideas, and regular just greeting card ideas to send out at any time, really. And remember, folks, you can never mount your iPhone greetings picture on the fireplace, but you can certainly mount a card. Thank you so very much for watching. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Leave me a meaningful comment and a thumbs up, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.